My dear brothers and sisters, I hope all of you are doing great well. Actually, I have a question and I have to say something. First of all, I want to be a good English speaker. You know, I can easily understand, I can easily read, I can easily, when I was reading, I was listening, I easily understand. Okay, but while speaking, why we not we but I feel nervous, and nowadays I think I am using uh, a platform, I think, and where I used to, I am practicing. Okay, that's why I feel this is the thing I have to, build, just because of uh, I have to be fluent in our Indian accent. Okay, and some of issue I think I have. uh, First of all, I have no environment. First of all, I have no environment, and while teaching I use Hindi language. Okay, so I'm okay with it. I don't have any hesitation, I don't have any question, and I don't have any other problem while using Hindi, just because of here, we all grow in our native language, so that's why I feel it's a thing I have to build this confidence. So this is not my first video in English. This is not my first video in English. Actually, I realized in 2023 I have to be fluent, but uh, lots of lack of environment, lack of guidance. Here is no solution. Everyone is making videos in Hindi, and after that they teach, because how can they learn, because they already know Hindi language. So Hindi language we can use while reading, while understanding. So first of all, I can easily understand, but with in my front, with sorry to say, but I'm very nervous, just because of while speaking Hindi I can manage, because I have been teaching since 2016 while with Hindi language. Okay, and also I am pursuing B.Ed. Also I am pursuing B.Ed, and today I got a call from my sir, and he told me, you have to submit migration certificate, you have to submit migration certificate. Then we are three friends, I think we are three friends who are pursuing B.Ed. Okay, who are pursuing B.Ed, and after that, I think one of them, he is I think in other another place, I don't know, but where, but I can say in Delhi. Okay, so then I said to my friend, please, where is your migration certificate, because we have to send this migration certificate in by post. So first of all, if you want to I said to him, you want to send migration certificate, uh, so you have to go in your post office, and you have to submit. Then I said, no, actually we are actually we are three. Okay, we are three. So first of all, we have to collect all the three migration certificate, and we have to send by post, you know uh, by post, how to say in English, I think by after, how to say sorry, because I'm very nervous about this, because I will manage in Hindi, I will manage, but okay, um this that's why I am practicing, that's why I am using this kind of thing. So we have to send this migration certificate, you know uh, with together. Okay, so first of all I went to their place, and I received the migration certificate. Then I came, and after that, when when we go to post office, then they said, uh, actually you have to come tomorrow. Actually you have to come tomorrow, and at least at 10 a.m. Okay, so we said okay. So this is the thing I'm facing. Okay, this is the thing I'm facing, and this video is not going to be cut without any cut, because you see, and also I want to see. This is my first video, not first video, but we can say i I'm speaking English. Okay, just because of I am practicing in lots of thing. I have to say, but in this video I don't want to tell you, but just I have to say, because practice makes man perfect. Okay, so that's why while speaking, why we can't speak English, just because of lots of environment we can easily understand. While reading, when we are learning, we are when somewhere is written in English, so we can easily understand. Oh, here is written in English, so we can understand. But while speaking, why we can't? Just because of practice, just because of practice, because there's no environment. Okay, there is no environment. That's why i'm I'm gonna to tell you, because after that I have to upload videos one and only in English, but because there are lots of teachers who teach very well, okay, rather than me, because I'm nothing in front of you. But at least I have to build I have to build myself in English language, because I've had some interviews, no, just one, and I realized where am I mistaking. Okay, so this is the thing I want to tell you, and I told you. So after that, if you are going to support me, and so then support, and the support means I have to one thing I have to say. Actually you can easily understand, you can easily read, you can easily while speaking you can understand. So then just comment, because we are going to change ourselves. So comment, and we connect to each other, we will connect to each other, and after that we will make a videos on it, and after that we will upload. Okay, this is the thing. So that's why but this time I'm I want to tell more, I want to explain more, but that time I'm feeling very oh my god. Just wait and watch, because we are going to change ourselves. Okay, and this in this video uh, I think lots of question in my mind, but you know I can't express this time. But when I uploaded first video, that time I was very that time I was very shaking, my body was shaking that time. Okay, and after that I realized lots of things. First of all, speaking is must, speaking is must. Whatever you say, you have to speak. Whatever you say want to speak, you have to just say in English, whether it is wrong, whether it is not wrong. Okay, that's why, because when, but we are not learning like a child, because they have native place, their native child, they have already environment. He observe all things, and they easily you know he can learn, he can speak just because of they have environment. So that's why after that we will take a topic, and after that we will discuss in front of camera, because this is the thing we have to grab it. Whether it's wrong, I'm saying I don't know what I'm saying. But after that I will correct, and oh my god. Okay, brother. Dear my brothers and sisters, see you in next video, and take care. Bye bye.